Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video, I am going to show you on how to convert a video to MP3. So in order to do that, we have to use an app. Okay, so we have to download it before we can proceed. So just go to your App Store or your Google App Store and then search for the app's name, which is the video to MP3 or the video to audio MP3 cutter. So to start, you just have to click on video to audio. Okay, now you will be redirected to your gallery and then choose the video that you want to convert into audio. So now just click on convert. Okay, this one. So right after that, your video will be converted to audio file. So to check, just click on the play icon, and you can also change the name of your new music. Okay, for example, we'll name this file as my music. Okay, so then click on rename. So try checking it to your music application. So let's refresh everything here. Okay, now we can see the video that we just converted to audio file. So that's it. Don't forget to subscribe for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.